Hello and welcome to our series of videos covering the use of neon to map indoor signal coverage with Anritsu signal and spectrum analyzers. This is the first video in a series of 5 which take you through the process of setting up and using neon to map and generate RF coverage reports. This video will show you how to set up and log into the neon applications. Let's get started. The first thing we should do is look at a system diagram for some perspective on how everything fits together. Next, we will discuss the account activation process with examples of what you receive after you order Neon. Then we will jump into the installation of the Neon Command PC software and the installation of the Neon Signal Mapper and Android application. The Neon system utilizes what is referred to as the Neon Cloud. The Neon Cloud is used to store and access data. The cloud stores maps. It also allows a user of the Neon Command PC software to create building outlines and floor plans for buildings which need to be signal mapped. Once a building and floor plan has been set up, the Neon Signal Mapper and Tracker are utilized to map signal levels and quality within the building. It should be noted that the building maps are not necessarily required. For example, mapping a simple building or determining coverage levels outside of a building can be done without a building outline or floor plan. After signal mapping a building, the Command PC software is once again used to document signal levels by generating reports or exporting data for use in other applications. All right. Let's look at the process of getting Neon set up for use. Prior to installation of the Neon Command software, you'll need an activation code. When Neon is purchased, an email address is provided. That email address is used as the administrative user account on a new Neon Cloud. An email is then sent to the email address provided with a new activation code. You'll want to copy or write down the activation code for later use. Finally, click on the Activate Neon link to begin the process. Once you click the Activate Neon button, you will be taken to multiple TRX Systems web pages. In the first web page, you will use the activation code and company name to activate the company's Neon Cloud. Once the information is entered, click on the Activate button. At this point, you will be presented with a second web page where the first Neon user is set up. This user will be given full administrative privileges, which include the ability to use the TRX Systems website to add and delete other users of the Neon Cloud. If you are the primary user, then setting up other users isn't necessary. In this page, you will need to enter your name, a username, your email address, and select a password. Please note the password will require a mixture of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click on the Sign Up button to set up the account. You will be notified that an email verification is sent to your email account. Now, even though you are taken to a login page, you need to verify the account through an email prior to attempting to log in. Open your email client and look for an email with Neon email address verification as the subject. Open the email and click on the Verify Email Address button. After verifying your email address, you will be taken to a web page indicating a successful verification and provided an option to log in. Go ahead and click on the Login button now. If necessary, enter your username and password. Then go ahead and click on the Sign In button. At this point, you will see options to download the Neon Command software and the Android signal mapping application. We want to download the Neon Command software to the PC, so go ahead and click on the Download Latest button to start the download process. Once the download has finished, you can launch the installer application from your download directory. Once launched, the installation is fairly straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. On the Android device you wish to use for neon signal mapping, open a web browser and go to www.trxsystems.com. Pull down the website's navigation menu, the three little bars at the upper right of the website, and select Support and then Support Again. Now click on the Downloads link at the top of the page. Go ahead and log in using your username and your password. Next, click on the Download Latest button to begin the download of the application. Since this application is not coming from the official Android store, you'll be asked to confirm that you wish to download the application. Click on the OK button to confirm. Then finally, you'll be asked if you wish to install the application. Well, that's it. Pretty straightforward. Be sure to watch video number 2, which will help you get started with Neon Command. Thank you for watching.